Grace Woolley, and I'm the author of Angarichna. It's a story about tuberculosis in South Australia before antibiotics were available. It all began in 2004 when I was travelling around Australia with a friend. We ended up at a tourist hostel in the Flinders Ranges, and this turned out to be Angarichna. We only stayed there one night, but there was something about the place that just demanded to be written about. The story focuses on 4 patients, Sean, Keith, Charlotte and Joe. They've each ended up at Angarichna with their own baggage and private thoughts. It's one of those difficult things to imagine, you know. What do you do, and what do you think about when you're stuck somewhere for months on end? The story really tries to get to the gritty part of human nature. But for me, it's also a bit of a ghost story. You know, I want people to stand in Heywood, like I did, and feel as though the walls are watching them.